Daddy,
Okay.
this one.
Yep.
Look. Whoa. Dad.
Oh wow.
Daddy, here.
Chuck it in the bucket. Cover these up for now.
Daddy, this one?
Yep.
I found a potato.
Oh my god. Yeah, leave it until we pull them all out. Put this one back, Bill.
I need the little one.
Pull all the plants first. Yep.
This one. I found it on a plant.
Okay.
Why do we have to put them, Dad?
Where?
This one, Daddy. Oh, why do we have to this one?
Yep.
Why do we have to pull out these?
Just so we get rid of all the plants before we find all the potato fruit.
This one. I want to pull this one. I got one out, Daddy.
Nice.
Whoa!
Oh, put those back, Dill.
This is a huge one.
Put those big ones back. 'Cause
I need the little one.
No, just put the...
All of them.
Holy mother of God.
Let's put that.
Put them back because we'll dig them out separately.
Here.
Oh, you covered more up.
Is it all potatoes? Holy mackerel!
No, there's more. They're tomatoes. Pull these.
Tomatoes. Can I pull this, Dad?
That's a tomato. Leave that.
Why are we pulling out the potatoes?
Because they're ready to pull out.
Dad, look at the giant one.
Oh,
What's
grab
on
that.
that phone? What's on that phone? I need the little one. Dad, what's on that phone?
You.
I want to see.
Okay, you ready to pull them out now?
Yeah.
Okay, get the bucket ready. So this is a 10 kilo bag of,
I'm doing this big one.
whoa, Coles potatoes or Woolies or whatever. Don't drop it, just place it gently.
Perfect.
That had grown in the cupboard. They sprouted. Yeah, good. And we just chucked them straight in here. See what would happen. Hey, don't chuck them, Till. Just drop them in.
Okay.
Holy Christ! Whoa! Dill, don't drop them, mate.
Dill, look at
Just
this
place
one.
them.
Dylan. Whoa.
Show Mum.
Mum.
Nice, Dill.
You finding them. Dad, can I step right here?
Yeah.
Whoa. Potatoes over there.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
There's a potato.
Woo!
Good job. These are so cool. Dad, there's so many behind it. Can I step here, Daddy?
Yeah.
Whoa. Can I step in the garden, Dad? 'Cause I
Nice,
need to
Dill.
get those potatoes.
Don't drop them. Here. I'll put these up here.
Dad, I'm in the garden.
Okay.
Yeah.
Check this out. You ready?
What? I didn't even step. I'm the step here. I'm the do it. Massive.
Whoa! Nice.
Look, Mummy.
Oh,
Look, I chucked them. Big ones.
oh, there's some here. Look.
Whoa! I found one. Look at this. Yes, I want to pull those out. Here. There's so many over here. Whoa. Dad, we're going to pull the potatoes out.
Yeah, all right. Can I have some fun?
Just in case we miss them.
Okay.
Dad, look how tiny these are. They're getting too tiny. Whoa, look. What is that? Oh, massive. What's here? Daddy, is there more here?
Probably. They'll be everywhere.
Ha-ha!
Nice boy. Show me, Till.
Look, Mommy.
Nice.
So many.
Look here. Holy sugar.
Whoa! I want to carry that.
There'll be another big one over here, Dill. There you go.
Holy mackerel! Whoa! Matilda, I'm going to carry this one. Yeah, I know you. I was not going to steal it. Bang. One tiny one. I'm going to use a big one. Oh, it's pulling out that one.
Jump in, Dill. There's heaps in there, boy.
I'm already in. Look how many potatoes we found.
Keep digging.
Yeah. Dig for potatoes. Why are you filming us, Dad?
so we can remember the harvest.
Oh,
Nice, Dill.
I found a tiny one.
Cool.
Tim, do you need help putting that out? Whoa!
Whoa!
Look.
Oh, tiny.
Big.
Nice, Dill.
Opposites is big and tiny.
Dill.
Ooh. I just carry so many in my hand because I can fit so many. I can fit so many in my hand because my hand is so big. That's not a potato, Dad.
There's some.
Oh. No potatoes. Oh, that's one.
Nice. That's just a root.
I found a tiny potato.
Just a little root.
Potato! Why is it potato?
Potato. You're a potato.
So many. So many. We haven't checked this corner.
So good. Holy crike. Look at that one, Dill.
Help.
Nice.
Got it. I can fit this many.
Nice, mate.
I can fit this many.
Okay. We'll keep digging and we'll show you the final product. Find some more over the other side.
Why?
Because I think there's probably more over where Dylan is.
Yeah, that's a massive one.
Nice, dude.
There's 100 massive.
Holy shit. That's heaps.
Whoa.
Just get in there and dig them up.
Yeah, dig them.
There's one. There's one.
Matilda,
There'll be heaps still. There's some more.
Matilda, I want to get this one. I wanted to. Whoa, so many potatoes.
Yeah.
Hey, Dylan's getting all of them.
No, he's not. You are.
No.
Here, Till, ready?
Wow! There's one right here, Daddy. No, that's just eggs.
Eggs from the compost.
Eggshell.
Yeah. There's a little avocado plant.
Avocado?
Mm-hmm.
I'm eating it.
No, it doesn't have any fruit on it.
Why is Dylan getting all the big? Massive one. Dylan, look at me.
Don't pull this avocado out, all right?
Yeah, we got it. Oh, wow! This is so many potatoes. Yeah. Massive! Wow, massive. I'll help you carry them. I'm going to carry this big one. Two more bigger.
Nice, mate.
Wow! Here's one. Massive.
Here, Dill, or Till.
Matilda,
Don't fight over them. There's heaps. There's heaps.
Dylan keeps getting all the bigger ones.
There's heaps, Till. Just keep digging round.
Dylan keeps getting all the big ones.
No, he doesn't. There.
Mine. Matilda, you're not. I'm getting the rest. No, you're not. There's one. Ooh. Dad, you're getting it on my tongue. Stop it. There's 100
I just
big
felt one.
ones.
There you go.
There's a. Hey, Matilda.
Hey, you kids, don't fight. There's plenty there, Dill.
Oh my goodness. He's going to eat all those.
Every single day. And Dad.
Don't scratch it.
It's super hard.
There you go. Oh, cool shape. Show.
Cool shape. Look.
Nice.
It's an elf shoe. It's a potato looking like an elf shoe. I'm going to peel it.
Don't peel it.
Why?
The skin protects it. The skin keeps it nice and fresh. Because we can't eat them all at once. Keep digging.
Okay.
Go check some at the back. Behind you. In here.
I got a lot of stuff in here. Dad, I got a lot of potatoes over here.
Okay.
I don't know what.
Oh, look.
Massive! Like, show me. Whoa. It looks like a bomb. Again. Oh my
Look
God.
at that. Look at all the potatoes. Where are more potatoes? There's Dad. Dylan, how many potatoes have we found? 100.
Here's a big one. Kill.
Can I film it?
Go kill.
Not too close. Wow, Dylan. Put it in there.
Here, Till.
Let me film it. Wow.
Here, mate. Oops.
Dylan. Dylan,
Oh,
how
yeah.
much?
Yeah.
This much. 3. Wow, Dad. Okay. Okay.
There's a heap of little ones.
Yep.
Be nice if there were some more bigger ones.
Because you can eat them all of the time.
Like this bad boy. Holy crap.
I want to cover that. Look at that, guys.
Wow, look more.
Whoa. Look at
All right.
this.
That's cool. What do you reckon, kids?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it again next year?
Yeah.
Say bye.